All right, hi. I think I would go with the Google Form route given kind of what you're talking about here. So let me show you a couple things. Not knowing how much you know about this, so I'll over-explain, and if so, please forgive me. So responses here, I can see what's coming in because I have admin access. You could set it up so students could see it or not, but you can also click here and create a spreadsheet for it to go to automatically. So just for fun, I'll enter one. So there's my question. I hit submit. There we go. What we see on the spreadsheet is it's just been entered. I set it to log the email address. You can see the date. And I also turned on a filter here where you can filter by conditions. So if you wanted to, you could do date is before and date is after to be able to do that sort of stuff. We could probably make another sheet here where you could either paste the weekly stuff, or if it was worth it to you, we can probably come up with some sort of function that gets the day's date and grabs everything going back 7 days. It just depends on kind of how specific you are when these things happen. You know, how hard it'd be to write something that would do that automatically. But I think maybe that gets at what you want. If not, please let me know.